Jason, drop the knife.
I requested it, they gave me one.
Okay.
Just do the easy way.
This has nothing to do with you.
Keep your hands up on the ground. Keep your hands up.
Jason Paz, 29 Ekim 2023'te Brooklyn'de yaşanan ve 2 kişinin ölümüyle sonuçlanan bir çifte cinayet olayının şüphelisi olarak aranıyordu. Ancak olay günü polisler ile karşılaşmasının nedeni, gürültü yapmasından dolayı komşularının şikayetiydi.
Name, sir?
Jason.
Jason what?
Past.
What is it?
Past.
Past?
Yes.
P-A-S-T?
P-A-S-S.
P-A-S-S? And your birthday?
Polis memurları şikayet üzerine Jason Paz'ın içinde bulunduğu bir aracı tespit etti ve yanına yaklaştı. Ancak işler beklendiği gibi ilerlemedi.
I saw the last name was on the registration. Do you have the registration in the... Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, the registration should be there. It looked like the same name.
Get on the ground right now. On the ground right now. Get on the ground right now.
Who's next?
Get on the ground right now.
Get on the ground.
I'm so sorry. This has nothing to do with you.
Keep your hands up on the ground. Keep your hands up. What's in his head? What's in his head?
A knife, a knife.
Look, something happened a couple of days ago. Guy came at me.
Get down on the ground.
Where?
Pay 4-4.
Listen, guy came at me the other day. I tried to defend myself. He's trying to kill me.
Olayı izlerken şüpheli şahsın başına gelenlere açıkçası üzüldüm. Evet, bu adam bir katildi. Ancak hareketleri ve dışarıya verdiği algı sanki bir şeyleri ispatlamaya çalışan masum bir insan gibiydi. Bu film gibi olayı sonuna kadar izleyin, düşüncelerinizi muhakkak yorumlara yazmanızı istiyorum.
Hallway, hallway, hallway. Sir, get on the ground. Don't make it worse than what it is. Watch the crossfire, Brown. Brown, watch the crossfire.
Suspect with a knife. Wanted for homicide. Just do the easy way. Stop.
Sir,
You don't want to hurt you. Please. Watch everyone. Watch crossfire. Watch crossfire.
I don't want to do this. I'm sorry.
Please get on the ground. Please. Just get on the ground.
This has nothing to do with you.
Just get on the ground.
You made a mistake, but it's not the end of it. Come on.
It's the trust it on the ground.
Destroyed my life. I have no
Crossfire,
right to go.
crossfire.
Crossfire.
sir.
I'm sorry, officer. I'm sorry.
I don't want to hurt you.
No one wants to hurt you. Just get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Throw the knife away.
I used to be a CO. They'll show me in there.
Throw the knife away, sir.
I'm sorry. This got nothing to do with any of y'all. Y'all just do what y'all have to do.
No one's going to come.
No one wants to hurt
Get on
you.
the ground.
Just get on the ground. That's all we're asking.
You can't go there.
So I don't want to hurt you,
It's
please.
2 people Sunday.
Sir.
They're trying to kill me.
Stay inside.
They're trying to kill me.
No one wants to kill you. Just please, sir.
Throw it on the ground.
Put it down, sir.
Just put it down. That's all we're asking.
They're not going to listen to my side.
Jason,
Nothing I
just
can do.
Just throw it on the ground, my man.
Jason, that's all we're asking.
Come on.
You don't want it to go this way. Trust us. You don't want it to go this way.
Sir, listen. Hey, listen to me. We're not here to hurt you, please. Just put the knife on the ground.
That's all we're asking. That's all we're
Don't
asking.
fry me up in the air. It's 2 people. They're trying to kill me.
I know they were. I know, but you have to. This is what we have to do in court, sir. You can't do this right
They're
now.
going to fry me up in court. There's nothing I can do with this. They're not going to listen. Officers, I'm sorry this had to be y'all. This had nothing to do with y'all.
Please, sir. Just
Sir, do you have any additional comments?
put the knife on,
Yeah,
please.
we have David and
Sir, I'm asking you nicely. Please.
Sir, just put the knife down. That's all we're asking. That's all we're asking. Just do the right thing. Just do the right thing.
Just throw it down, Jason. That's it.
Whatever happens, don't hold it in. This had nothing to do with none of
Sir,
y'all.
are you gonna please? Don't make any rash
Just
moves.
don't make us do anything. Just put the knife down. That's all we're asking.
Come on, Jason.
Just make sure my mother gets her car back
We will.
and just
Just,
I promise
just put the knife down. That's all we're asking,
just
Jason.
from her.
Put the knife down. Just lay on the floor. Just put the knife down and lay down. That's all we're asking. Just do that.
That's it, sir. That's it.
They're gonna fry me up. They can fry me up in court. They're not gonna listen to myself.
You don't know that.
Put
They
the
don't care
knife
if I was
down.
defending myself.
You don't know that.
They don't care.
Just put the knife down.
I'm so
I requested it, they gave me one.
okay.
Is the I request another one for you.
What's the phone number? What's the... We're on speaker. All right, Jason?
What's your name again? Yesterday you said? What was your name? Mother.
Okay.
You have
All right, Jason? Don't worry. I'm going to try as many times as you want. We're not in a rush here.
She's not here. She probably went tomorrow.
We,
Close the knife for us.
we want to talk to you, but, you know, you make me nervous when you hold the knife like that. Just, you know, if you drop it, I feel a little more comfortable. That's all.
Yeah, officer. I understand what they taught you in psych class, but
Can you close it and
it's
just
not
close
gonna
it?
work.
Just
This is
close
none of
it
y'all.
and close
This
it.
is none of y'all's fault.
Close it and
None of
close it.
y'all.
We're not here to blame anyone, say fault or
Jason, just drop the knife. Just drop the knife, Jason. That's all we're asking. Just do us that favor and drop it. You know you want to. Am I right?
I'm sorry, officers. You're been there a long time, right? You're good cops. You're good cops. I'm sorry.
So can you please drop the knife for us?
crossfire, watch.
Jason, just drop the knife. Just drop the knife, Jason. That's all we're asking. Just do us that favor and drop it. You know you want to. Am I right?
Sorry, officers. You're been there a long time, right? You're good cops. You're good cops. I'm sorry.
So can you please drop the knife for us?
Give me a bunch of 4 hits.